Stand down, you pull it over, and you rotate.
Drop these bags. Gotta have to go right there, man.
Alright, let's do the same shit. We haven't.
Yeah.
Well, I can go here, you know?
No. It's already been proven down here. Yeah.
Am I in the way? Can you?
I think I'll go there, no? Look.
We're gonna. You gotta.
But Jamie's in the way.
Yeah, let me.
So, Alberto, can you go forward a little bit? Nobody care about me.
First I was cold, now I'm like, fuck yeah, let's go. Woohoo!
Good. Oh. Woo! I need to. Let's go buy 250s and do this. That would be fun, man. Like those guys were doing,
Yeah.
I would definitely do it.
We gotta teach Ronnie clutch control. Ronnie, there's more than on and off.
Back out?
Ronnie, hey Chris,
Yes.
can you
Second
hold the
gear,
bike here for a
clutch
second?
control
I'm
for
gonna hop on.
speed. I'll try.
Got you, buddy.
Thank you. Oh. Hey Chris, what's that glove over there?
Oh man,
Sorry.
jeez. Let me get your coffee for you.
Coming.
Sorry, guys.
Sorry. Good job, Ronnie!
This thing is screwing it up. Right. Come on, man, take your help. Whew. That was a good little adventure.
Whew.
Well, hey, you wanted to try it? Yeah.
I'm glad we did.
You know, if it wasn't so narrow, I would keep going.
Yeah.
But it's too narrow. You slip and you hit a tree, you know?
Go through the tree, bounce off that shit, keep on rolling. Forward momentum all the time.
Yours is perfect in this short.
This thing was eating it up. I'm
Yeah.
like
Fun.
fucking rubber legs. I was sitting there freaking just letting the bike go. And
I
I'm
gotta
like,
go here with my Kawasaki. The
oh,
Kawasaki
God,
is
I'm coming
perfect
back
for
here.
this.
Hey, listen. Oh, what's me?
Okay.
For me, it's too much. Oh, just mark. Okay.